In this flow, I'll walk you through the best boss award nomination, how to build it, and how to get started. Navigate to the flow template library where you can search best boss award, but then select preview and use this template at the bottom right. This will take you directly to the builder where you can build and customize the flow to fit your team. First, you want to determine how is this triggered. This flow can be ran on demand, meaning you can press go when you're ready, or this can be scheduled to run on a specific day. Let's try Monday the 28th. From there, I want to make sure this is only ran once. And we'll give everyone 5 days to complete. Next, you determine who's participating in this flow. For Best Boss Award, that will be who can nominate people. You can either use the entire organization, or maybe selectively don't invite certain departments, or maybe not the C-level executives. That's something that can be controlled here. After that, you can determine who has visibility into this flow. For this flow, that will be who can see the nominations. You can either have this be one specific person, or maybe this is sent to everybody on the HR team or the executive team. Up to you. The next stage is where you determine what content will be provided. You can use our ideas and change and edit these. Add a description. And you can also add new blocks, open-ended questions, multiple choice, upload a file, select a person. All of these to help you get the right person in. Last but not least, you can add a description so people know what this flow is and hit create. This will sit dormant until that specific day when it's ready to run. From there, answers will be compiled here. You can filter and download and keep organized. This is a great way to run a Best Boss Award